drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. Wake up early.
Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from ISEE Hair, and if you guys are interested, I'll have all the links and details provided in the info section below. Also, if you want to save 15% off of your purchases, be sure to use my discount code, which is YTHF, to be able to save some cash. ISEE also has their buy now, pay later option, so you can break your payments up into 4 interest-free payments just in case you want to pay a little bit as you go. And here is the wig that I picked up this time. I picked up this gorgeous Burmese curly half wig. I kind of wanted something to where I can blend my natural hair in with, and I decided to go with this one here. So this half wig does of course require leave out, so you are going to need to blend your natural hair in with the unit. It also has a drawstring at the very back so you can get a nice customized fit. Now, as you guys did see, this unit does have the coiled ends. All you have to really do is comb through those curls and you'll be able to develop a nice fluffy, thick, natural appearance. You guys are going to see me do that a little later on, but right now I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on. I did prep my hair prior to this video, so I do have 2 little cornrows going down the sides of my hair, and I'm going to hope and pray that my natural hair will blend in with this unit. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the drawstring in the very back. Once again, it gives you a very comfortable, customized fit. I went ahead and I applied a little bit of oil to my fingers, and I'm going to unravel my braids and see how my hair is going to blend in with this unit. So here's what my natural hair is looking like in comparison to the wig. Y'all, it's not perfect, but it's definitely good enough. I'm now going to pull my leave out and cover up that band. You're going to make sure you're going to want to cover up that band. Then I'm going in using a little bit of my shining jam just so I can develop some shine and develop a little bit of texture so I can really blend in with this unit. Now, some details about my wig. This unit is Burmese curly, and Burmese hair is known for being low maintenance, super easy to style, wash and restyle. Now my unit is 26 inches long. Yes, I decided to go for something that was really long. Y'all, it's cold outside, so I wanted something long and thick. I went ahead and I applied a couple of bobby pins just to kind of get my natural hair to stay put. Now I'm taking my hair pick and I'm just going to pick out these curls and fluff it out, making sure to focus on the very bottoms of the hair. And y'all, the more that you manipulate this hair, the bigger and natural it gets. You guys keep working with it. It looks crazy out the pack. Trust me, if you keep manipulating the hair, it is going to grow and get thick and luscious and perfect. And you guys are going to see exactly how this unit is just going to come together. Y'all can see how my hair is just blending in with this unit. Perfect. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's imperfect, which makes it perfect in my opinion. And once again, y'all, pick through those curls at the bottom of the unit. You guys are going to see how this unit is just going to grow and look natural. Y'all, I am absolutely loving it. So of course I wanted to give you guys a few different styling options. You guys saw the middle part style. Now I kind of wanted to do like a little flip over, kind of giving it like that old school Janet Jackson sort of vibe. You guys can see the vibes here. Super thick, super flowy. This is probably like my favorite style with this unit. But of course I could not have 26-inch hair and not do a half up, half down, especially being that this is a half wig. So I am going to brush this up into a half up, half down. And yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this style. And for those of you guys who may be in too much of a hurry, who might not be having a good hair day in terms of your leave out, or if you don't want to pull out any leave out, you can definitely go the headband method. So once again, you guys do check out ISEE Hair. I'll have all of the information and details located in the info section below. Be sure to use my 15% off discount code, which is YTHF, to again save 15% off of your purchases. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this unit, because y'all know I love me a good half wig or headband wig. Those are like my two favorite units that I wear on the daily. So again, y'all let me know what you guys think about this one. I definitely want to try this one in a shorter length. I think that would be so cute. But again, you guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.